Good day everyone, Happy New Year. I'm making this video to show you how to fix 4 common vlookup errors. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button to support me to make more videos to help other people just like you. If this video has helped you, any donations to support this channel are welcome by using the PayPal link in the description. So I have created a table for illustration. Salesperson ID, sales commission, right? Then I want to vlookup the salesperson ID and get the sales and commission. Now you can see there's 2 errors here, right? The first common error is the text and number are not able to vlookup each other. So in this field, in this table, you can see it's a number because there's no green flag at the side. So it's you are looking up text to a number. So what you do to fix this is you need to convert text to number, right? So you go to data, text to columns, click on next, then select general is number, and now your error disappeared. Another way is instead of changing this, you can change the table itself. So now you need to convert all these numbers to text. So you go to text to columns, go next, then select text, click on finish, and now you can fix. Now the errors is fixed again. And another common error is a space at the beginning or end of data. So over here, right? Let me just copy the formula. So you can see as you can see, there's spaces at the end of column E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over here there's no space. So there's an error when you try to vlookup. So what you do is you can either manually delete the space, or you can use this formula called trim. So you can actually trim it, trim E3, trim, right? Then close bracket. So you fix the error again. So trim is actually getting rid of the any spaces in front or at the end of the number. Alright, so for this I can use trim again. And then no more error. So another way to fix this is just do a trim here. Trim. Right. Then after that, copy and paste special value to get rid of the formula. Right. So, and then you can just copy again and paste it here. If you have a lot of error, you can use this method. So let's say I'll give you more examples. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's like more, right? More with space. So what you do is you trim everything down, right? Then you copy, paste special values. Then you copy again, paste special values here. Now you have got rid all the space in front at the back. So the third common error is we are copying down the non-absolute formula. So if you can see here, you can see the sheet A2 to C13, right? The first row is fine, right? You will look up this, right? But then when you drag it down, right, you can see the table. So it goes down by one row, right? Because you didn't absolute it. So what you do is you need to absolute this table by pressing F4, right? F4, and then you can see the dollar sign in front of the column and rows. All right, press enter and do this for the next column as well. All right. So let's say you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. All right. So when you drag it down, right, you can see the table is absolute. It's not changed at all. So I have, okay, that's the fourth common error is when you extend the table to vlookup from, let's say 1, 2, 3, maybe 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, right? Right, 2, 3, 2, 3, right? Then when, let's say you have a number here, so when you drag down, right, you couldn't find this new row because of the table is absolute. So in order to fix this, please please go to my and go to another video on the the tip on how to use table to fix the fourth common error. I will post the link in the description, and you can click on it. Hope this video helps you. Please remember to subscribe or donate if that pleases you. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.